From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it was a pretty cool start this morning in Acadiana. Mild finish this afternoon, and really that will continue to be the case over the next few days. Only difference is that we will begin to introduce slightly better rain chances late tomorrow afternoon, even more so though as we head into Wednesday. We'll have a pesky, really non-tropical surface low that's going to be swirling out in the Gulf of Mexico, slowly drifting northward. So we'll take a look at that in just a second, but first, I do believe we have a drone shot from today, and again, a partly sunny day here in Acadiana, meaning we did have more cloud cover than sunshine pretty much through the day as a whole, but we do have some glimpses of blue there from the drone cam here as it overlooks Lafayette. So overall, not a really bad start to the week by any means. Temperatures did climb into the mid-70s this afternoon. So here's the upper level pattern, and again, we're watching this upper level feature that's currently getting its act together, and essentially it's going to be diving southward here over the next couple of days, and what that is going to do is induce surface low pressure out in the Gulf of Mexico. Thankfully, we're not in hurricane season, so we're not expecting a tropical system or anything like that, but nonetheless, a non-tropical surface low is going to be swirling out here in the northern Gulf, and that's going to keep the pattern at least somewhat unsettled into the middle parts of the week. Meanwhile, today, all the shower activity back to the west. Severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing here in Oklahoma. Also some shower activity over towards Florida, but in between for us, again, relatively quiet, and that's the way it's going to go overnight tonight. Temperatures, we're going to call it refreshingly cool. Most of us in the upper 50s by tomorrow morning, maybe mid 50s, especially for northern Acadiana. And then throughout the day tomorrow, we're looking at partly cloudy skies, mild conditions, mid to even upper 70s in spots. Now, again, that surface low is going to be sitting out in the Gulf, and that's where the heaviest rainfall likely going to be setting up. But nonetheless, we may start to see some wraparound showers trying to work in by late tomorrow afternoon, especially if you're south of the I-10 corridor. So rain chances will sit at around 30 to 40%, and then that low is slowly going to work its way northward as we head into Wednesday. So that'll keep off and on scattered showers in the forecast, not looking like a washout or anything like that. And then here we go, still the possibility of some scattered rains Wednesday night, heading into at least the first part of Thursday before finally that feature starts to lift north of the area. We'll get some drier air in here on Friday, but it will return to being warmer out there. We're going to see highs pushing the lower 80s come Friday afternoon. Then our next cold front looks to approach sometime this weekend. Right now it looks like Saturday, so scattered showers and storms possible. And then it looks like we could actually see a quick dip in temperatures as we head into the early parts of next week, so stay tuned for that. As far as rainfall estimates through about Thursday evening, this is per the Weather Prediction Center, again showing the highest rainfall totals likely remaining offshore, but still we're going to have to be on the lookout for a sneaky 1 to 2 inches, especially across coastal Acadiana, say Iberia, St. Mary parishes, other areas, especially if you're further to the north and west, not picking up quite so much. So again, something we'll still keep an eye on here over the next couple of days. Temperatures in the short term, again, feeling good tonight, mid 50s, northern Acadiana, upper 50s here along the I-10 corridor, and then upper 50s to lower 60s across the coastal parishes. After that cool start, again, tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see readings pushing well into the mid and even upper 70s in spots. 58 is your projected low temperature tonight, at least here in Lafayette, under fair to partly cloudy skies. And then throughout the day tomorrow, it's going to be a partly cloudy type of day, mild 75 to 77 into the afternoon. A few of those showers developing during the second half of the day. Rain chances will sit at around 30%. On and off scattered showers heading into Wednesday again, as the pattern will remain somewhat unsettled with that surface low kind of swirling around the area. Drier air gets in here on Friday. We are warmer, lower 80s, before we do see the return of some storm chances as we head into the upcoming weekend, guys.
All right, thanks, Bradley.